NASA's newest astrophysics space telescope, SPHEREx, launched in March on an extraordinary mission to map the entire sky in 102 different wavelengths of infrared light. Now settled into low Earth orbit, SPHEREx, short for Spectro-Photometer for the History of the Universe, Epoch of Reionization, and ICE's Explorer, has begun sending back its survey data, which is being released to a public archive every week, inviting anyone in the world to explore the secrets of the cosmos. A striking example of SPHEREx's capabilities can be seen in its image of the Vela molecular ridge. On the right side of the picture glows a yellow patch, a cloud of interstellar gas and dust that radiates in certain infrared colors because of energy from nearby stars. This image comes from the mission's very first public data release, signaling the beginning of a wealth of discoveries to come. Rachel Akeson, the lead for the SPHEREx Science Data Center at IPAC, a science and data hub for astrophysics and planetary science at Caltech in Pasadena, California, explains that because SPHEREx surveys the entire sky, almost every area of astronomy can benefit from its data. Previous missions like NASA's retired WISE telescope also mapped the whole sky, but SPHEREx dramatically expands on that legacy, observing in 102 infrared wavelengths compared to WISE's 4. By collecting data across so many wavelengths, SPHEREx can identify signatures of specific molecules using a technique called spectroscopy. With this method, scientists aim to study how frozen water and organic molecules, the fundamental building blocks of life, are distributed throughout the Milky Way. Beyond studying our galaxy, SPHEREx will help scientists investigate the physics that drove the universe's rapid expansion after the Big Bang, and measure how much light has been emitted by all the galaxies across cosmic history. Releasing SPHEREx data to the public ensures far more scientific exploration than the mission team could accomplish alone. By making the data accessible, NASA empowers the entire astronomy community to investigate countless areas. Scientific data promotes transparency and accelerates research. In keeping with this mission, SPHEREx data appears in the public archive within 60 days after each observation. This brief period allows remove or flag any artifacts, correct for detector effects, and align the images to precise astronomical coordinates. The team also publishes detailed documentation describing how the data was processed, enabling other researchers to perform their own analyses with confidence. Over the course of its 2-year prime mission, SPHEREx will survey the entire sky 4 times, completing 2 all-sky maps each year. Once the mission reaches its 1-year milestone, the team plans to release 102 wavelengths. SPHEREx will not only produce its own remarkable discoveries,